Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how to install a metal handle for a Japanese gate. These are the parts that I'll be installing. This is the handle. I'm going to open the bag. I had to order it from Amazon, Japan. This package did not come with any screws, but there are these little holes for screws. If you saw my other video on how to remove a damaged screw, you might have seen this part. This is the receiving side for the latch. I'll quickly show it to you. It's going to look like this. So what I'm going to do is put these two little screws through these holes and affix them to this part, and that should fasten it. So this fits right in, and the latch will do this. The latch goes right into this area and closes it. I'll be using a drill going clockwise to tighten. Okay, so let's get right to it. Do this. I'm taking the outside handle, putting it through the holes. I'm going to put them in the right holes. And then I'm going to take this part, the receiving side, and put them in the right holes, like so, and I have to balance them, making sure that they align. I can turn them clockwise with my fingers, making sure that the screws make contact. Yeah, it looks like it's going in nicely. Good. It's looking nice. Okay, now for my drill gun. I'm going to screw it in slowly. Perfect. Perfect. Let's see if it works. This is what it looks like. It's secure, it's not moving. And that's how to install it. I hope you found my video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. That's all for now. Bye.